No Makeup with Melanin. So today we are doing a hair video. This is just my lazy wig install routine. Nothing major, literally takes less than 10 minutes. You probably could do it in your sleep. For real. But yes, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. This is how the wig is looking. This is how the wig is looking after the install. If you're new to my channel, hey! Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any of the amazing content that I have coming soon. So also go ahead and hit that bell so that you get notifications each time that I post. Make sure you give my video a thumbs up, and always leave feedback down below in the comments. Let me know if you liked the video, if you don't like the video, whatever. Let me know. But yes, without further ado, let's go and get into the video. Right, so first things first, obviously I'm going to tell you everything that you will need. You will need your Got2B glue. It just looks like this. It's $10.99 from your local beauty supply store. You need a straightener, any kind, a blow dryer, obviously the wig that you're putting on, and a wig head, and then some sort of brush or a comb. Today I'll be just using my Damein brush because that's the only brush I could find, which looks just like this. Alright, so this is my lazy wig install, so I'm just going in with my Got2B glued. I'm not putting on a wig cap. I'm not doing anything extra. Putting on my Got2B. So the first thing I'm going to do, I do 2 coats of this glue. So first things first, I'm going to spray this over my edges and just kind of spread it out where I want it. And I'm going to blow dry it until it gets tacky. Just like this. Just like that. And yes, I spray a lot because I want this to stick. I don't have to keep doing this. You don't have to spray as much. But yeah. So we're going in again with our blow dryer on the low setting and cool. Now we're going to place the wig where we want it. And then press it down. So now the wig is placed. I'm not gonna pull on it too hard, but it's on my head. This is a closure, not a frontal, so I'm going to brush this down with my Damein brush. And I mean, really, you could go like that if you want to. But we're gonna go in with our concealer. We're using our Maybelline 57 Walnut. I'm just gonna put that all over my part. so this is one side straightened. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the other side, and I'll be back. Alright, and just like that, now you're bobbing. Yes. But yes, this is the wig on. Like, you really don't have to do that much to get your wig to be played and laid. Now you can go out on the town and you can be cute with your wig. Literally takes less than 10 minutes. You really don't need that many supplies. This is the final look. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Some feedback down below in the comments for me, please. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you want to see more hair videos. But yes, that's all I have for you guys.